Are you prepared to unleash your video creation potential? Are you looking for a tool that would help you reach your audience? If you are looking for a video editor that would help you without breaking the bank, then we welcome you to the world of Invideo, where video creation becomes a breeze. In this video, we are going to discuss the following. What is Invideo? What are the features of Invideo? Who can use Invideo? Invideo plans and pricing. How to get started with Invideo. What are people saying about Invideo? Invideo is not just any video creation tool. It's a game changer, an unstoppable force in the world of visual storytelling, video creation and editing. Introducing Invideo, the ultimate video creation tool that empowers you to bring your ideas to life. Invideo is an intuitive online video creation platform that transforms complex video production into an effortless and enjoyable experience. With Invideo's user-friendly platform, even beginners can create professional-looking videos in minutes. Choose from thousands of customizable templates, use the intuitive editing tools, and access a vast library of stock assets, all at your fingertips. Invideo is the perfect video creation tool for businesses, marketers, educators, content creators, and anyone looking to elevate their visual storytelling. Empower yourself to create professional videos that captivate your audience and drive results. With Invideo, you don't need any prior video creation experience. The platform is designed to make you look like a pro. Invideo offers flexible plans to suit every budget and need. There is the free plan, which is for everyone who wants to try the Invideo editor. The business plan costs $20 per month, while the unlimited plan costs $48 per month. Choose from the affordable monthly or annual plans, or take advantage of the free trial to test the waters. Simply select a template, add your content, and customize it to your liking. It's that simple. The intuitive interface and drag and drop functionality make video creation very easy and simple. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from real Invideo users who have transformed their video creation experience. Invideo has been recognized by leading industry experts for its groundbreaking approach to video creation. It's time to unleash your video creation potential with Invideo. Try it out today. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content. Thank you. Don't forget to visit the link in the description to explore Invideo and unleash your creativity. We appreciate you taking the time to learn more about Invideo. Your creative journey starts now. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.